Welcome! Today I'll show you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 with your Alcatel One S 2021. First of all, need to open case from your AirDots and press and hold here to turn on your AirDots. So press and hold, and when indicator are blinking only white like this, it's means that your AirDots in pair mode. So next step, open Bluetooth settings on your Alcatel, this one, and then click to pair new device. Wait a second for find this AirDots. So phone finds this AirDots, so click it, wait for pairing, confirm, click allow and confirm pair one more time. And now we're pairing our Xiaomi AirDots 2 with Alcatel One S 2021. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.